Did you know that you can hit it off with someone? You can even ask out or go out with someone. You may even open up to them, fall for them, or make out with them. Today, we're going to look at 6 different romantic phrasal verbs. Knowing these will make your English conversation sound more natural. Let's study together. Welcome to this phrasal verb English lesson. I'm Michael from Happy English, and I'm so glad that you're here to learn English. Phrasal verbs are a big part of spoken English, so learning and using them will make your English conversation sound more natural. Today, we're going to take a look at 6 romantic phrasal verbs. Let's check it out. Here's a story where you can hear these phrasal verbs in context. Remember, context is king, and context is the key to understanding the meaning of any vocabulary. That's because context is the key to seeing how the vocabulary is used. I remember when Jack first met Jenny, it was at a party at our friend Tommy's house. They really seemed genuinely interested in each other, and it was pretty clear that they hit it off right away. Jenny wasn't going out with anyone at the time, so when Jack asked her out, she said yes. After a couple of dates, they started to open up to each other. It seems like he quickly fell for her too. No wonder they're always in each other's arms and sometimes even making out. Okay, let's check out these phrasal verbs. Hit it off means to get along well with someone or to have a good relationship with that person from the first time you met. You can say that 2 people hit it off or that one person hit it off with another person. Those are the 2 patterns that we use with hit it off. Here are some examples. Jack and Jenny hit it off at the party. I hit it off with her when she started working in my office. To go out with someone means to have a steady romantic relationship with that person. When you are going out with someone, you're dating them on a regular basis and not dating other people. Going out with someone means that they are your only partner. Here are some examples. After a couple of dates, Jack and Jenny started going out. They were going out with each other for 2 years, and then Jack proposed to her on Valentine's Day. Next, you can ask someone out. When you ask someone out, you invite them to go on a date with you. For example, it took a lot of courage to ask that girl out, but since she said yes, I really want to plan a special evening for us. Kathy isn't going out with anyone right now, so since you like her, why don't you ask her out? When you open up to someone, you share your private thoughts and feelings with that person. Opening up to someone means that you trust them and that you're becoming emotionally intimate with that person. Here are some examples. Donna is a close friend of mine, and I can open up to her about anything. She's a good listener and easy to talk to, so I feel comfortable opening up to her. When you fall for someone, you begin to love them in a romantic way. This has the same meaning as the idiom to fall in love. You can tell your partner that you're starting to love them by saying something like, "I'm falling for you." Here are some other examples. After just a couple of dates, Jack started to fall for Jenny. I have to be honest with you. I really enjoy spending time with you, and I think about you all the time. I think I'm falling for you. The last one is make out. Make out means to kiss in a romantic way. We use make out with when we mention who. For example, when I walked into the living room, Jack and Jenny were making out on the sofa. It's pretty common to see couples, especially teenage couples, making out in the park. Keep in mind, the best way to remember this or any vocabulary is to take the word or phrase, write it in a sentence that's true for you or true in your world, and then memorize your sentences. You can even take some of your sentences and drop them in the comments below. I would love to see your examples. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember, learning a second language is not easy, but it's not impossible. And I'm here to help you on your journey.